slower than him so that he walks past the camera slowly?
Yes.
But also like the theme of You've Written Dead is like explosions.
Oh, I guess you ain't gonna say like that.
But like firework explosions? Do they blow up a city hall building?
I don't like. I also need hopper things.
You can need a different lens for each shot.
Oh, okay. You guys can change.
But maybe you should do the one where he's walking up first.
Oh, Nick, we're actually doing the one where you walk up first.
Bird up, man.
Or he'll officiate it.
To anyone you really want, you could marry him.
This goober over here buying some Burgerville. Is his window just not work? Jesus. Look at this guy. Oh, Nicky. Look at this guy. He looks like a French. You look like a French fry, Ryan. So does Nick. Nick looks like a little French fry over there. Dude, that I completely missed that turn.
Follow Jalen to the side of the road.
That's so stupid. I'm so mad. Oh my god.
I thought how we could do it is have Hopper can drive Garrett here. Back in your car. Back in
Nick, do you think we need a grimace float for
That sounds like a crazy shot. Yep, that's the shot that's gonna happen. What's up with this? Dude, then just getting ready.
I have to leave.
Slobber boogie?
Slobber boogie on me whistle.
That's just hot.
It's not that hot. It's kind of not. It's very humid. Jalen seemed to audition for his partner. I mean, that's feasible. So let's find a spot to put all of his stuff. Okay, let's go through the. Nick, bring the gun over here. That's from your spare gun that you
Off-brand.
shot. Yeah. Why? This is like the same gun. But this is where Garrett took it from you. So you have to come get your spare gun.
Oh, wait, why don't we just grab like another pistol?
Cheers, lad.
Obviously,
Because that is gonna look the best. How's the mouth?
Are you sponsored by him?
And like, it's hot Harris's
Not
spare
yet.
gun, so he
Not yet.
We'll get sponsored before we release this behind the scenes.
Okay, that sounds good.
All right, so I run in. I could literally just run.
Pretty good. Better than the
I could like have it all
Guayaki
over there.
Rebel Bear.
Like
I mean,
underneath.
if you get sponsored, then it's definitely better.
Sponsor!
What is this supposed to be like the same?
It's a bazooka.
Okay, let's get a shot of Hopkins walking in. Roll audio.
Rolling.
Alright. Scene 5.
a little earlier?
Yeah.
A little earlier.
Okay.
Scene 5, shot 4, take 3029. Action.
Harris!
Cut.
Am I supposed to see him when he looks back?
Yeah,
Like
we're
in
gonna
the
do
show?
that. Like, spicy things. Selena. Whoa, you're being so friendly.
You want some peanuts?
Normally you should be hissing and biting by now.
I'm not doing that.
Do I smell good?
Could be it.
Yeah.
Where are you at? St. Helens. Okay. That's pretty close. So like 10, 15? Not 15.
Well, enough time for me to take a piss. Dang, Ryan.
Isn't that fantastic? I keep it in my car.
Why?
Because I can.
Because you can't. Because you're a grown man. You're a grown adult.
If I can keep all the stuffed animals in my car I want.
You're a grown adult, man.
I was thinking of getting more of them and just like flooding the back seats with stuffed animals.
Get some like Pokemons, put them like in the window here.
It could work.
I only know like the entrance I came in.
That door right there.
Will it be like weird if I walk through?
Gotta reshoot everything now. Oh god.
Roll camera. Scene 1, shot 1, take 1, action.
So, pretty much just got done filming the last of Frank Hopperkin. That's pretty much it for me. We started like June 27th filming. Kind of been just going at it ever since. But I've definitely enjoyed being Frank Hopperkin. And I know like Adam showed me some like other auditions for a sheriff, a redneck Northwestern, and I don't know, I guess I must be doing something right. I guess to have somehow I think it was just, you know, I don't think that's even really hit me in the face yet, is the fact that all this really, for me, happened just because I made a project for a class, PCC, and she just sent it to some of her friends, and they're like, "That's the guy that we need." So I think it all turned out perfectly. It's been a very memorable experience, and I don't think there's anything that like money could provide for that sort of experience. I definitely will probably cherish working on that little film for a long time. And you know, everybody's got to start from somewhere, you know. Obviously I mean, it's not like I don't consider myself a professional by any means. I've been doing this shit since I was like a freshman in high school, I guess. Maybe even sooner than that. But I think we all have, even, you know, all of the, you know, been childhood friends and just making silly videos. That's just kind of what it's all about. Getting to meet and hang out with the whole crew it's been so awesome. You know, you got Ryan, William, Luke, Adam, Nick, Jessica, Bobby. You can't forget Bobby. I mean, Josh, Kenna. Everybody that's worked on this project, they're all so awesome. And I'm so glad I got to hang out with them. And it's always nice getting to meet people that are interested in the same things that you are. So, and maybe hopefully in the future, I look forward to whatever else they may have. I would always be happy to help them out in any way possible. So, you know, today was kind of like that last standoff where Frank Hopperkin does that emotional, you know, it's at the end of it all, and he doesn't, it's interesting, like being able to be a character, but then you kind of understand that character better than anybody else. Even if, you know, they obviously wrote it, of course, which the script is just, mwah, it's beautiful. I really mean that. It's great. Like, I first read it, it's amazing. But, you know, Hopperkin, Frank Hopperkin is like one of those characters that I would love to come back and do again if I was ever given the opportunity to. It's you know, it is similar to another character I've done in my buddy's Guns and Gasoline series, which is it's just me being Arthur Morgan from Red Dead 2 pretty much, but now getting to be somebody completely new and fresh kind of just opens up. It's hard to explain. I'm trying the best I can here. But I don't know. I mean, I'm always interested, rather than just doing, you know, gruff and tough characters all the time, which, you know, you kind of come to realize when you do acting stuff that, yeah, maybe you fit the role better than most people, and some people fit roles better than you. It's kind of just something you have to accept. But it's, you know, you always got to try, right? It doesn't really matter. You can, as long as you're, you know, I'm always open to doing really whatever. Hopefully maybe sometime in the future I could do like a El Noir sort of character, or I don't know, or returning back to a Western cowboy sort of redneck version of basically an exaggerated version of myself is always fun. Honestly, I could not ever take any of that for granted. It's a wonderful experience, at least for just a goofball like me. I am excited to, you know, see it. I think all there's left is the flashback scene, and then there's I believe there may be some ADRing here and there, maybe, but other than that, Ryan was thinking of premiering it at the Columbia Theater there in St. Helens, so, but whatever the case, I am excited to see it, and I love it. I love it so much. I hope you love it just as much as I do. I am so excited to watch it. And some of my favorite parts are actually the outtakes more than maybe the final cut, but you know, I love all of it. It's so great. Oh. I think I've probably sat here and rambled on for enough, but I look forward to whatever new projects are for the future. And some advice I'd probably give is, if you just get an opportunity, just go with what you think feels right. Hopefully I get to work with those goofballs again over at the Rawcat Studios. This has certainly been Wedding Thrashers, the behind the scenes. I loved every aspect of it. I love it. Yeah, so thank you.